Afternoon, folks. Jared from River Valley here on beautiful Lake Minnetonka. Most of your clubs are closed. However, our version of the club was not. I'd like to take a minute and introduce you to the 2020 25R Club by Bennington Marine. Full Tritoon like River Valley always does, and it's loaded full of options that everybody else makes you pay extra for. Ours are already included. The nice thing with this type of a layout is it's got room and seating for just about as many of your friends you want to take on board. You got the nice, great wraparound seating with the double pillow top interior. This is showing the new ivory interior by Bennington. It's not white, it's more of a cream base, which hides dirt a little bit better. You have nothing but flip down armrest with built-in cup holders on both sides. Bennington gives you the portable cup holders with the matching wood grain, which matches the small trim on the dash as well. Up in front, all the seats open up once again for your easy to get to storage. They even go as far as making a little cone cover to go over the back of your speaker. So when you put stuff down in there, it doesn't rip the wires out of the back. It's one of those small things that really separates Bennington apart from other manufacturers. River Valley, we order all of our boats with a lot of standard options. And when we mean by standard options, is one of the things that our customers have asked us to put in their boats, so we put them in all of our stock boats as well. Number one important thing, the new ottoman. Deluxe ottoman with a built-in cooler underneath of it. Acts as a footrest, but also has the ability to have 40 drinks and your food tray all at one time. As you walk through the center, you get the nice big ski locker. Real easy to get to, once again. Nice down deep in there, can hold skis, tubes, ropes, even an annoying friend one time. Underneath your helm, nice big storage underneath here. Great spot to have a cooler slides in and out, but we have actually added a Roswell sub and amp sound system. The subwoofer and amplifier built underneath the dash here. Nice thing, it's nice, crisp, clean. No wires are just hanging and dangling. It's one of those other things that make Bennington the #1 picture in the country. What really separates the club is the back. You can easily have 8 to 9 of your closest friends in the back. Bennington does give you the filler seat here, so if you want to pull the table out, you can, and have a nice big sun lounger. The captain's console comes with a raised helm, the lights down and stitch captain's chair, deluxe steering wheel, a built-in Garmin or Simrad GPS system, power top, fly-by-wire shifting. As you walk through the back here, the back of the boat did not lose the style and flavor of the rest of the inside of the boat. Bennington's added a nice bar top, 3 portable cup holders, but they've even added the lighting from the inside. The wrapper will go on the back side of the boat as well. Folks, I'm Jared. Thank you for letting me go through this boat for you. I'll talk to you soon.